Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HOTWAV T5 Pro. Start by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, click on the same options in both apps. I will start with an Android. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HotWave. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can choose multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. Then select your files. When you're done, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on HotWave. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, tap on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!